F-35A fighters now certified for nuclear bomb delivery. The F-35A Lightning II stealth fighters of the U.S. Air Force have recently obtained certification for the delivery of B-61-12 nuclear gravity bombs. This certification, announced by the F-35's Joint Program Office, JPO, on Friday morning. According to Russ Goemaere, a spokesperson for the JPO, the certification was granted several months earlier than expected, significantly ahead of schedule. This development signifies that F-35As are now recognized as dual-capable platforms, capable of operating in both conventional and nuclear warfare roles. In the latter capacity, they can internally carry up to 2 B-61-12s and utilize their ground-scanning sensors and data links to target the bomb with greater precision compared to other B-61 delivering aircraft. While the U.S. Air Force has previously utilized conventional F-15E and F-16 fighters equipped with the necessary N wiring for nuclear weapon deployment, the F-35A is the first stealth fighter to possess such capability. Unlike the F-22 Raptor, primarily designed for air-to-air combat, the F-35A was always intended to take on the tactical nuclear strike role of the F-16 fighters it was replacing. However, the implementation of this capability, including the required wiring and data links for utilizing the advanced features of the new B-61-12 nuclear gravity bomb, was part of an extensive and costly upgrade program known as Block 4. The certification marks the completion of the development and testing of the B-61-12 capability after more than a decade of intense efforts, according to Goemaere. Additionally, the Air Force has clarified that nuclear capability is not contingent upon receiving the full Block 4 upgrade package, and that the certification will be applied to all F-35As in the Air Force's inventory. However, the F-35 is not certified for older B-613 or B-614 non-strategic bombs being replaced by the B-61-12. The Air Force now possesses a significantly more survivable means of delivering its arsenal of tactical nuclear gravity bombs, thanks to the F-35's ability to penetrate enemy airspace with reduced risk of detection and effective counteraction by ground-based air defense missiles. The F-35 is also only the second fighter, following the F-15E, to be specifically compatible with the B-61-12, which offers greater precision and range compared to its predecessors. While stealth technology is not invulnerable, stealth fighters have considerably higher odds of reaching their targets to deliver gravity bombs and returning safely to base compared to non-stealth fighters, which are more likely to be detected from a much greater distance unless enemy radars have been thoroughly suppressed. In addition to the F-35, the Air Force operates the B-2, a long-range nuclear-capable stealth bomber that started using the B-61-12 in December 2023. The service is also progressing swiftly with the production of its successor, the B-21 Raider, which made its maiden flight in November of last year. Moreover, the Air Force previously operated F-117 Nighthawk jets capable of dropping B-61 nuclear bombs, although the F-117 lacked air-to-air capability and was not technically a fighter. Earlier reports have suggested that China might be exploring a nuclear attack capability for its J-20 stealth fighters. However, assertions regarding Russia's Su-57 stealth fighter serving in a nuclear role have yet to be confirmed and seem improbable given the limited production and operational usage of the aircraft to date. It is notable that the U.S. shares approximately 100 B-61 tactical nuclear bombs with NATO allies Belgium, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, and Turkey. With the adoption of F-35As capable of delivering nuclear weapons, replacing their F-16 or Tornado jets, by all NATO countries except Turkey, the pace of replacing older B-61s in Europe with new B-61-12s will be a significant factor. Hans Christensen, a nuclear arms control expert, observed that a U.S. F-35 fighter wing stationed at Lakenheath in the United Kingdom is likely to be equipped for B-61-12 delivery based on a contract inadvertently disclosed for the construction of shelter facilities to support a nuclear mission. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.